All right, Silas, look at number one. First thing I want you to do, Silas, is give me the formula for tangent. It's at the bottom of your unit circle sheet.
Tangent is y over x.
Okay, so all your formulas are on there. You just look them up. All right, now watch this. 135 degrees. You find it on your circle, Silas.
All right.
This is your point. So they want the y to go on top. So I put this one on top, and the x goes on the bottom. All right, make sure you understand what we're doing.
Okay.
Good so far?
Yes.
All right, now, here's the trick, Silas. You can't punch this in a calculator because you're not going to have a calculator on this section. You've got to do keep, change, flip by hand. So watch. Take the bottom one, flip it over. So that'll be -2 on top and √2 on the bottom. Silas, I just always leave my negative sign on the top. All right, now watch how easy this is going to be. These two cancel out. Silas, these two cancel out, but I do have a negative left. So my answer is what? -1.
I still got it right. I ain't canceling it now. Just makes it easier to cancel it out.
Yeah, I would definitely go ahead and cancel. Silas, you good on that? Now, probably 4 out of every 5 of these are probably easy and short. Every now and then we have one we got to do a lot of work. All right, let's go to number 2. All right, number 2, I got tangent of 5 pi over 3. Silas, the good news is the first 5 problems all have the same formula. They're all y over x because they're all tangent. All right, now find 5 pi over 3 for me. Where's that at? Here it is, right there. 5 pi over 3. Jacob, make sure you're working. All right, this is our x, this is our y. So you put your y on top. Remember, we're going to keep, change, flip the x because it's on the bottom. So I flip over 1 over 2 and it becomes 2 over 1. Make sure you understand how I did that. All right, Silas, what can I cancel out on this one?
2.
What's my final answer? Now, when you go to multiply, when you finish it up, you multiply straight across.
Okay.
-√3 times 1 is -√3 on top. The bottom is 1 times 1, which is just 1. You don't have to write your 1 on the bottom.
Where's 13 pi over? Yeah.
13 pi over 6.
Yeah, where's that?
Skip it. I'll have to show that one for you. Or we'll just skip it. Either way, whatever.
Just skip it.
All right. Silas, you good?
It's making a little more sense.
Okay. All right, so the next one is what they're talking about. Number 3, tangent of 13 pi over 6. All right, here's the deal. It's not on your circle, right? I could not give you this one on a test because you're not going to have your calculator. But what we could do right now is times it by 180 over pi. I'll do that for you real quick.
We can skip it.
13 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. And it equals 390. Subtract 360. All right, so really, guys, this is the same thing as doing tangent of 30 degrees. Okay, but you won't have a calculator, so you won't be able to do that part on the test.
Yeah, it's negative.
Okay, well, I'll do them for you up here, then we'll do them. All right, so Silas, what goes first in my keep, change, flip on this one? And remember, the formula is y over x, so go to 30 degrees. What goes on top?
Pi over 6.
Okay, good. Now, this is your x, this is your y.
All right.
Which one goes first on top?
The root of 3 over 2. Or would it be the...
Remember, it's alphabetical order. This is x, this is y. So take the y, which is 1/2. It goes on top, so it goes down first.
All right.
We're going to keep, change, flip the bottom. So whatever the x is the one you're going to have to flip. All right, this is one of the longer ones, Silas, which is good. We had to see one eventually. All right, you good how we set it up? Now watch. Cross out your 2's, right? My answer is 1 on top and √3 on the bottom. You good so far? All right, now Virgil's going to explain why we can't leave that as our answer.
Because it has the little square roots.
You can't have a square root on the bottom of your answer, Silas. That's illegal. Can't do it. So here's how you fix it. You ready? Whatever's on the bottom, you're going to multiply it on both sides, okay? The top is just √3. The bottom Silas, if I have root 3 times root 3, that's square root of 9. Then check the board. What does square root of 9 turn into? Okay, so that's how you'll leave your final answer. That's one of the longer problems. And we only have those. It's not probably 1 out of every 5 problems. It's not very often.
Number 8.
Did you mess up the paper?
Yeah,
It's possible. What's that?
Do we have a different paper?
Yeah, this takes
None of them are on here.
Sorry, guys. That's all I got for today. So, you will need your calculators for this worksheet, right? But I just wouldn't give you any of these hard ones on the test, is the only
You're
deal.
just gonna do it for us.
I can. I'm going to have to do it for everybody on video anyway.
Video right now.
All right? You got anything you want to say to them? All right, let's keep going.
I ain't gonna watch it anyway.
I know it, but I got to have it up there.
I don't
just
even
in
think I
case.
got a video from it.
Oh, no. You got them. You just didn't go on. I got them all on Google Classroom.
You ain't
I
going to
didn't
Google
see
Classroom.
anything.
Don't even lie.
Oh,
And I need to show you.
I got the,
I put up Google
2 things about
Classroom, and it
triangles.
was the first thing that came up.
Buddy, it is all there. I've been working hard every day.
Don't even care.
I know what I'm doing at work. See.
All right, now, guys, I could give you this one on the test because, yes, I could, because you're supposed to know how to go backwards on the circle. And you don't need your calculator for that, right? Watch, Silas. Tangent of negative 3 pi over 4. First, what we're going to do is find where it's positive 3 pi over 4. All right, here it is, Silas. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots going forward. Therefore, negative 3 pi over 4 is going to be 6 dots going backwards. Start back over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you could do that one on the test. So, I will give you something like that on the test because you don't have to have your calculator.
So what is it, 225?
Yes. All right, so now, try it from there, Silas. I'm hopeful you can do this one by yourself. Which is negative root 2 over 2. Silas, when I put my X down, I got to flip that one. All right, Silas, help me decide what crosses out. Both the 2's and both the root 2's. Now, what's a negative times a negative going to equal? So my answer is just positive 1. I like those.
That's a lot easier than I
A lot easier. All right, let's go to 5.
Oh man, this is 720.
Okay, we got calculators today. So I will let y'all use calculators today in class. I just wouldn't give y'all any of these hard ones on the test.
So the tests are all gonna be there.
Yep. Now, but there is a section on the test, Michaela, where you are going to be able to use a calculator, and you got to make this turn in to a number that's on the circle. So do y'all remember how to make that a positive number? What do we do?
360.
Add 360. That gives us negative 360. Add it again. We got 0. So your problem is really tangent of 0 degrees. All right, y'all do it. All right, so Silas, where is pi over 2? It's kind of hard to find.
Over 2 is at 90.
Good. So look, this one's going to be an easy one, Silas. There's your point. X goes first, y on the bottom, 0 divided by 1 is 0. So some of these guys are like 10-second problems. That was a really easy. All right, let's go to 7. All right, number 7, everybody's got a chance to show me that they can find where negative 5 pi over 4 is on the circle. And if you use the backwards method, you should be able to do that.
So are words like those gonna be on there?
Yes. Because you can find it on the circle. All right, how do we do it? Where's positive 5 pi over 4? Right here. Right there. Everybody see that? Now, I could count the dots and go forward, but I'm going to go backwards that same amount. Where's that going to put me?
135.
Very good. So there's your point. Do the problem now. So it's x over y. This should be an easy one. I'll give you all about 10 seconds. Do you keep change flip? We'll look at it.